I found a bug in elementary OS Freya where if you click on an applet in the top panel with the left mouse button, everything works fine. Everything works perfectly well. You can open anything and everything works perfectly fine. But if you click on an applet with the right mouse button, the menu pops up, and it registers mouse clicks, but it doesn't react to them. It doesn't take action to the mouse clicks, and this is for all. This is for all the applets. Like this Wi-Fi applet, I opened it with the right mouse button, and if I want to change Wi-Fi network, it doesn't do anything. It registers the click, but it doesn't take action. And if I do this with the left, when I open it with the left mouse button, everything works fine. And if I open it with the right mouse button, nothing happens. You can go either two ways. You can either not be able to open the pop-up menu with the right mouse button, or it should have the same functionality whether you open it with the left mouse click button or the right mouse click button. Okay, thank you.